Hi guys, my name is Andy and today we're going to make another cicada. Alright, let's begin. First off, you're going to fold the paper in half into a triangle. Now you're going to fold this in half just to make the creases partially in the middle, just the middle only, like that. And now we're going to fold this part up, not all the way, not so that it meets the line in the middle, just partially, like that. Do the same amount on the other side. Yeah, just like that. And right here, we're gonna fold it inwards. Once and twice. You're just basically kind of rolling it inside. You're gonna flip it over, and you're gonna fold this inside alongside the. You're gonna fold this inside, but the line's gonna be, the folding line is gonna meet the middle. Like that. Then you're gonna open this. Press down so that this line meets up with the line over here. Do the same thing here. Like that. And now you're gonna do stair folds. So in and out. Again, in and out. And in and out. There. Like that, and now you're gonna fold these parts inwards. So that this line meets up with the line right here. And that's it. That's the Origami Cicada. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe.